Hello guys, appointed in capital most expensive one say. So bafethu as I promised you ngasikanje ngizoloke nje ngopostile amabenga. We will be pranking uNosipho Dladla. Mina no Samkelo Slivy K. So enze ngathi like siyaqabana argument prank right to uNosipho. So stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe, press that notification button so you'll be notified when the next time I drop another video. Enjoy. Okay guys, so this is Samkelo Slivy K. Make sure to follow him. Villain anyways. Are you ready?
Definitely. I'm dropping a banger now too. I'm gonna see the vibe though.
Okay, so guys, we will act like I'll set up kind of like his thing. I'm gonna do like a fake like intro. We'll act like we're doing like a MacBangy. Then suddenly, vele as amajita siyazi vele ukuthi bafu moya wodwa win. Guys, last but not least, make sure to subscribe and go to his channel Marcus and subscribe. How many likes for this video, Bampru?
10K at least.
10K.
You gotta start somewhere, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, because like we reached like 1K plus subscribers, because our views are more than our subscribers. So
it can happen.
Yeah,
Anything is possible.
we believe in you. Hello guys, it's your boy Dylan Kabela, the most expensive one. Say, I am not alone today.
It's not.
I'm not, my bro.
Yeah.
I'm here with
Nosipho Dladla.
Yeah, with the big boss, Slavy K, you know what I'm saying?
Chita, why am I like namanje like kusayiphinda why you sound Slavy K? Sakhumbula?
Sorry? I am a big boss. But I'm saying like Slavy. It's not slavey, it's Slavy.
No, kodwa mfethu why uthanda? Yeah, why like uthanda ukuthi
ayo guys, it's your boy Marcus. You're talking shit, bro. Leave me alone, shit.
No, what I got ngempela boy, yeah.
This bro, I can't this bro.
No, serious, iyabheda leyo nto leyo.
Ufuna ngithi uwandile emkhabizi?
No, angisho ukuthi usho kanjalo but okay.
No, you both have tendencies. Now uyenza into le ethi ofika ukhuluma and then laugh. And then
You laughing right now.
bro, I was like,
Exactly my
you understand that, you guys.
Okay, like can go Bruce like number 2. Because Bruce now actually
Just
like everything like
every time.
you should do anything kanjani. But
so you're looking up to the bro?
no, I'm not looking up. It's an example of now we are sharing.
Yeah, he does the same thing.
Why uthi kanjena ngingabukela again?
You watch too much YouTube.
Angimbuki nje.
You don't watch the bro?
Angimbuki.
Why can't you too?
Oh, you kahle boy, yes.
Why you don't watch the bro?
Because I don't see the purpose.
What's the purpose now? I mean, the bro is looking like, he is like a role model for a lot of people.
Don't cheat the face. What do you mean? Okay.
You should. I'm saying you should look up to that bro.
No, he's not my role model again. You shouldn't have it.
Who's your role model?
Am
I? Okay, I am. He said I am. I'm a role model.
Ubathi model yakho. Yazi ngiyahleka ngoba phela bangihlekisa para lo model lapho ntwana.
No, Tagala, you're looking up to that bro. No, so
Ima, awusengibuyela kuyena manje sabuyela kuwena.
you're looking up for me, bro. Like, I influence you like that, you know what I'm saying? So it's all good, bro. It's all good.
Ukube phela mfethu influencer ngabe mhlambe ke indlela yokugqoka. Manje I'm not even close.
You know what I'm saying? So who's your role model? Cause I don't think anybody dresses like you, dog. You dress like shit, bro.
Ma.
You can't dress for shit.
If you say I dress like shit, like what do you mean?
Oh, like, what's it say?
Buka phela no udla bunjani lana.
Relax. Look at your mouth. Relax.
Uqala amasosi.
I'm in my mansion. I don't have to like.
Manje
My place, my rules.
man.
I do whatever I wanna do. Man.
Kusho ukuthini lo?
Kusho ukuthi I'm that comfortable in my own place.
Oh, ngoba nakho ngila kwakho manje uqonda ukuthi kumele ukhulume uDode nami.
What kind of this bro?
Cha ngiyabuza bafethu like uthi
Whoa,
Ima,
guys.
Ima, Nosipho,
Stop
Ima.
rage baiting.
No, relax,
Ima,
bro,
Ima,
relax,
Ima,
relax.
Ima.
Let him take the stage.
Cha ukuthi wena fethu kade ngayibona into yakho le njalo fethu mesizohlala like sibathatha kanjena uyathanda ukuyenza into yakuthi mina menginoNosipho uvele fethu ufuna ukubuyisa ngamanga like to be honest ake ngithanda into leyo
No, it's not even like that, my bro. Like,
ikanjani
you're looking at it like that because you want it to be like that.
wena samkelo fethu ukuthi like wena like you have numbers akusho lokho kumina lokho but
Nah, it should.
it should what do you mean
I am big, bro. Look up to the look. I am big at the end of the day. So it should be like a thing to you. You know what I'm saying?
hayi mina bengakwazi lokho
Yeah, it should be.
bengakwazi
Look up from
The brother is stuck in it.
kodwa ke engikwazi ukuthi wena udlame naye lapha ngani
Ngidla wena kupita.
wabuma
No, colleague, I can pay you 2 times from this, bro. Don't worry, I got you. Don't worry, G.
as guys like I'm trying like by all means ukuthi ngibe calm but
Tell me about my dizzy. Ah, this is my breakfast, bro.
I'm trying by all means to be down.
breakfast
I eat this shit for breakfast.
wow
Dog,
yazi wena fethu
Nay, calm down.
no ukuthi kuthiwa ithanda into yakhe lo wena fethu wena fethu angithandi into yakho serious angithandi wena
What?
tell me like that.
Whoa,
angithandi
guys.
no ngifuna ukuthi mina Nosipho fethu
Imam, didn't know me like.
cha ngikudine bese
Ima, whoa.
cha uyangicasula lo wena bafethu
Imam, guys, whoa.
uyathanda fethu ukuzenza umuntu omkhulu la kumina bro
I'm chowing his money like that. Know what I'm saying? It is how it is, bro.
I feel like I'm quasi like that. Into life.
yazi ngubani ngingobile sidima lesi
Oh, you wearing white? White.
yabo nje mangasuthule nje kunga right mhlawumbe nawe Nosipho ngokana nokudla kahle
I can't do that. This is my mouth, G. Can't tell me shit. Can't tell me shit. This shit.
Sibaqhubeka ngaphezulu
I don't even know, bro. I mean, like, nigga, to show my boys straight. Can't lie. You need to relax, my G.
Guys, ngicela bani. Ngicela ipiece thina beso catch up la ukuthi.
Yeah, we're doing that.
dog
Because you guys
like
are
fethu angagcina nokuqala no lena
No,
fethu
bro, you-
bekumele
you-
kuba
you-
fethu enakubheka video wena fethu busy lokho kakhuluma
Think of
udodana
like one time, sometimes maybe you gotta tell the bro, like at the end of the day, I am him.
No.
No.
Like guys, you guys are rage baiting each other.
What range baiting are you talking about?
into endishoyo
Sit
musa
down,
nje
my G.
musa ukuzenza
Don't follow my
umuntu
number,
omkhulu
fella.
Ima, sit down, my
Ima,
brother.
Ima,
Ima, sit down.
Ima.
Uzozuwisa ukudla.
don't care about
Ima.
food Ima
I can stand too, bro.
Ima
Wait, whoa,
stand.
whoa, guys.
Let me stand.
yena mji
Guys.
Uzongeza.
Man, I don't understand why you nilwa like
Nosipho.
sifike nini.
Who's fighting? No one is fighting. You
No,
fighting?
you guys no, cause
uqale wayikhukhumeza ngami
Sifike
Nosipho
nina.
manje ngiyambona ngathi khona into ezowenzeka because manje
Imani, whoa.
before amthize ngizokushaya mina yes no like to be honest for samkelo face so I respect you ngiyazi ukuthi ngikwakho njengamanje but I really like don't like the disrespect that you are giving me right
Okay, I'ma
now
ask
this is supposed to be a mukbang kodwa wena futhi ubhizi ukhuluma nami
I'm gonna ask you a question.
Move,
What did I
move.
do, bro?
uyakhukhumeza ngami was
What's
like
that?
you were talking about numbers dog
What
Who's
numbers?
like you have
You brought
numbers
that shit up.
and you said I'm dressing like shit bro what do you mean
No,
about
no,
that?
no, no, no. You brought that shit up. I didn't bring that shit up. You brought that shit up on yourself. Mina ngizokutshela mangibuza ukuthi
guys comment down below ukuthi ubani wrong line uyena
am I wrong?
uwena wrong
You telling me I mustn't
buka
be
phethu asana
that big.
nokudla kahle phethu mina umntwana
And subscribe.
You telling me I mustn't be that big? Like, bro, what you mean? I am that big.
okay
You
guys
need drama.
All I'm saying is,
wait shh
don't say shit to me, bro.
uzowenzani
But Iman, whoa. Imam.
uzowenzani
You can't ask me that.
uzowenzani
Gizwenzani.
uzowenzani
I'm not a,
Imam,
uzowenzani
I'm not a kid, bro. I'm not a kid, bro. I'm not a kid, bro.
Guys,
You know what? I'll be back, Jess.
because you guys are so funny. Uyolandani.
uya
Uyolandani.
no uthula lona phethu awuyangikasula akeze la uzobona akeze uzobona engisusu samkelo mina phethu ngisho ngaza ngathathani
Guys, sifike nini la? Mina ngiyakuthengisa sifike nini la?
Bro, this was supposed to be makubheke sikhulume like talk to our people because bayasikhumbula kodwa nizokhuluma udoti nami lana. Hayi mfethu, hayi. Amsukeza njani njalo. Akeze.
That shit.
Oh! You guys
manje usuka le uzothatha ngizolesa la kumina leyo.
Ngilethile kwena ngizoyifaka. I have to, I'ma use it, bro.
Yinde. Ish, hamsini mfana mthatha.
slow down, slow down, slow down.
Woza la.
Can't tell me shit.
Woza la. Woza la. Woza la. Woza la. Woza. Mfana wami, pasapho. So ima nasi. Wait. Woza la.
Let him go. Let him go. Let the blue go. Let the blue go.
Woza la. Sorry,
For what reason?
Woza la masamkelo.
You think I'm your kid, bro? Fuck you.
Come here, come to Papa, come to your daddy, boy.
Oh, my daddy.
Come to your daddy, boy.
That's how gay you are.
Come to your daddy, boy.
Come to who, daddy, bro?
Come here. Buka ngihleka tatazela. Usutatazela ngikanje.
Joe, let's eat.
Woza lana.
No, let's come and
It's
say.
my pen, right?
Yeah.
Let's go, man.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that.
Akangale
Can you guys?
angabe manje ngisazoyiposta le video because mangithubele wamo. Woza lana, woza lana.
We're going to catch up, but then.
Kulunga namanje, dog. Chill out, bro. Talking shit. You wanna talk too much, bro. Why can't? It is that deep.
It's not that.
It is that deep. And then go so it's a bad, bro. I'm not talking about that.
Mina nje ngizophuma nje la ngihamba ngalindele.
Umshesi soba ngithula.
Oh hayi.
Mina ngicela sami sochama mawuthi kanjani.
Angiyuchama nawe mina. Why must I be with you, bro?
You see, you're not even Zulu like that, bro. Makuthiwa sami sochama. You thinking about some crazy shit. I'm not even talking about that.
Nah, you're not even Zulu. Awazi ukuthi ngqondo ithini. Ukuthi mina ngisazi ngempela na.
What my game, man?
Oh, ukhonisa
No, come here. No, yeah. No, chill out. You talk about something man. Let me talk to them, bro. Okay, we're not fighting.
Okay.
Oh, so you guys are not gonna fight because you guys are into the kids now, and it's not.
We're not fighting, bro. We're not fighting, bro. We're not fighting.
I'm not trained.
We're not fighting, bro. We're not fighting, bro. What you doing? What guy? You can't do shit now. Fuck you. Can you do shit? Fuck you. Can you do shit? Fuck you.
Okay, now you guys are proving the point.
You're a kid.
I'm not a kid.
You're a baby, bro. You're a baby.
Samkela face buka. Funa wazi ukuthi ngiphinde ngize lana.
Video, you guys can subscribe and you comment
I won't even post this
I'm
video
ending
in
this
the channel.
upside
So
down.
Chill out. It's my bad.
it was supposed to be a mukbang, but the magic.
No, you ruined it. Bye guys. Love you all.
What are you doing? Relax.
It's a prank. It's a prank.
It's a prank. It's a prank, bro. Relax. Chill out, man.
Yo guys,
You wanna close the video already?
yo guys.
Not funny. Not funny.
It's weird.
Just subscribe to the notification button. Subscribe to his channel. It's coming back.
I'm coming back.
Not funny, by the way.
Ish.